Hey guys, this is Jason with JWClassicVW, and guess what? We got a package. Actually, got quite a few things in this package. I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and let you guys see what we got. Who's it from? Let's see if you can guess. You got a blade around here somewhere or something? We don't need anything special. Uh-oh. You can tell right away. Alright, here we go. What is this, guys? What is that? Can you see it? CB. Magnaspark 2. We got some new plug wires. Upgraded push rod tubes. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Oh, that goes with this kit. It's holds your distributor clamp. Some important information from CB. Ooh, high spark coil, guys. High spark coil. Yeah. Sweet. Upgraded pulley for the generator. And a whole lot of peanuts. They're great fun. Let's just flip this over. The bottom of the box started to open anyway, so we'll just take a look at that. Oh, man, that's heavy duty. That's the hex bar for my new linkage. And a fold. New tops and filters. Another manifold. Oh, that is seal kit. That looks like it. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Let's lay it all out. See what we got. See what we got going on here. You guys know what this is, right? The reverse manifolds. They're going to have to be ported. There's a lot of material on those. Okay. Very cool. That's it. Some of this stuff been opened up at some point. Alright. Okay guys, got some cool new stuff. Got a lot of products coming on. Stay tuned because we're going to be doing an install on quite a bit of this. changed out my, I went ahead and changed out my spark plugs while I was at it. I changed out the existing ones. They looked like they were a little bit toasted actually. I was running these, you see that, see you guys see that. These DP8 EA9s, and I swapped it out for the NGK DR EA, these ones. These ones you can pick up at, oh, can you see that? Probably not. It's not zooming. These ones you can pick up at your local AutoZone for like $1.25, and they seem to work fine. These other ones, they're probably overkill, honestly. Alright guys, so the verdict on the Magnaspark 2, the Magnaspark 2 Distributor. Okay, I ordered the set that came with the spark plug wires, the new coil, and it's in the polished finish. Well, it's badass, man. I will say right away there was a huge difference in throttle response. It idles like way better. I just tossed it on here right now just to kind of like, just to see what it was like. I'm still gonna have to pull everything out of here because I'm gonna be doing the the flipped manifolds, so I can reverse the mixture screws on the carburetors. I'm gonna be doing that, and I have all new linkage that's coming with that too. So all of this is coming back out of here, but I just want to throw this on here tonight to kind of see what it feels like and see if there's a big difference. Well, that's it, man. You can see I put a few other little things on here. I got rid of the chrome pulley because I've heard some bad stuff about those chrome pulleys, so I went ahead and got rid of it. This is the chrome pulley I was talking about. At high RPMs, I've heard that they can shatter. This one's brand new. I'll probably just end up using this on my other engine, my single port engine, instead of this one. But yeah, all in all, this thing is badass. Right now I have it timed at 32 degrees at 3,000 RPMs, and it does great. Alright guys, this is the Magnaspark CB Performance. This Magnaspark 2. Just to let you guys know, I've already had it in the car. I took it back out so I can go ahead and show you guys more of a broken down view of everything. These are my old 10mm wires that I won't be using anymore. The kit comes with 8mm wires, so we can get these out of the way. The 10mm wires I'll probably save for some other time, but these are the size of the 8mm wires that come with the kit that are more than sufficient for what we're going to be doing. This is the high tensity supercoil that you can get as an option with the kit. There's the kit that comes with what you see here: spark plug wires, distributor cap in gray. You can order a different color if you want it. They also have it in black and red. Okay, so you have to assemble this portion of it, which is not a big deal. Pretty easy to do with a coil. You have the positive part of the coil is inside, on the inside of this this kit. Let me zoom you guys in so you can see a little bit better. Okay. So the supercoil right here, it comes with the line for the coil is you cut the length and make it the whatever size you need it to be. I've already cut mine to length, so no big deal. Like I was telling you, positive, negative on the actual coil. This is a high power coil, going to give you a lot more spark when it comes to your ignition system. On the side here of the box for the actual assembly, distributor assembly, you'll read all kinds of good details and information here. We'll talk about that in a second. But first, let's get this cap off this rotor and take a little bit more of a inside look at this bad boy. These springs right here are to help with your advance. The kit comes with additional springs. Down in the description, I'll break down how that all works. There's some other stuff in here too. I'm not sure what these are for, the blue, black, and red. But down in the description, I will break down what that stuff's for. A replacement seal for the shaft of the actual distributor. These all have to do with timing. These little rings here, I'm not so sure what those are for yet. We'll figure that out. But this is to advance or retard your timing. I'm guessing that the lighter the spring is, the faster the advance, and the heavier the spring is, the less advance. Set these down, put them back in the bag, on this little yellow bag. I'm actually away from home today, so that's why you're seeing a little bit of a makeshift setup here. Alright, let's take a look at this inside this bad boy. Looking inside of the distributor, you will see the inductive system, and this thing is heavy duty. Now, right inside there. You see the blades moving? That is pretty awesome. I can actually feel it going against the inductive area over here, and this is for the timing. This inductive side right here, this is to the pickup, or the magnetic brake. So whenever these pieces of steel, the four feet on the bottom here, whenever they pass the inductive pickup, it sends a signal. It's time to fire. Fire the spark! Fire the heavy spark! The kit comes with a clamp that you see right here. My timing's already been set to 32 degrees at 3,000 RPMs right now. That's what I have it set to on my car. And that's why I pulled it out with the clamp still on, so I can keep my timing. Everything you're looking at here is really well made. It is it's a beautiful distributor. Your ends come with heat shrink already on them, really nice for installation. And it's obviously a mechanical advance on this system. Let's see. Even on the it's just the manufacturing, the way that they make this thing, it's kind of idiot proof. Even on the cap, you have a square and a round, so you can't mix this thing up when you go to put it back on. You know, square. Don't try to fit the square peg in the round hole. It's not going to work. Another thing that I noticed as well, whenever I was timing this distributor, I noticed that it was super steady. Like my other distributor, my 009 with the electronic ignition inside of there, it was kind of like all over the place when I got it to higher RPMs, but this thing was steady. Steady as a rock when I got it to that high RPMs. I'm sure a lot of that has to do with the quality, the actual build quality of this distributor. Let me bring you guys down a little bit closer, and we can talk about what's going on with the box here. Okay, so with this Magnaspark 2, this is the polished finish. You can get it in black too. Just like on the box, you can get it in black too. Some of the key features, let's go over right now. It's got an easy 2-wire install, which you have the negative and positive side of your coil. Alright. Compatible with most external spark boxes. So if you have a box, say like a box that you've already picked up for your high performance Beetle that works with Pentronics or something like that, it will talk nice to it. It'll work. Okay. Precision CNC machined and hand assembled, individually tested for reliability and performance. Accurate super hot spark of from 50 RPMs all the way up to 10,000 RPMs. Now that's cool because I'll be able to keep this distributor and use it on probably any of my performance engines moving forward. You know, they say it's the last distributor you'll ever buy. Let's see. Hardened, that's the thing I was talking about with stability on the timing. So it's got a hardened .50 or half-an-inch diameter steel shaft with sealed roller bearing upper support and bronze bushed lower support for extreme stability at maximum RPM. So that's what allows you to get that timing perfect at the higher RPMs. Integrated ignition module design adds simplicity and reliability, which simplicity, yes, reliability to be seen. I assume it's going to be reliable. I'm thinking, based off what I'm seeing, that it will be. The fully adjustable advanced mechanisms with easy-to-use spring and bushing design for near infinite advanced curves. So that's springs I was telling you about to help adjust your advanced curve. Hot cranking spark as low as 50 RPMs. High quality ignition molded caps with brass terminals for long life. That's what we got here on the cap itself. Another thing too that's kind of cool about this is that it rides. It just kind of pushes against the cap and rides. That's neat. There's no more like in the stock distributor cap that's a little button inside there that can break off. You don't have that anymore. Distributor is pre-curved to suit most popular engine combinations, so you make power and run properly right out of the box, which it did. It ran great right out of the box. See performance and the Magnaspark 2 get a thumbs up from JWClassicVW. This thing's outstanding, works well, runs great, and that's all I got for today, guys. That's gonna close up this video, and I will talk to you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the little dingle belly thing off to the side. Hit the bell for notifications. And if you got any friends out there that are interested in Volkswagen stuff and high performance applications, go ahead and send this over to them. Share my content and bring them on over to the club, guys. If you haven't done so already, look down in the description. Look down in the description below. You gotta hit that little extending arrow thing to get the description to expand, so you can see all the other good stuff in there. I have other YouTubers in there that are all about the Volkswagen stuff. So subscribe to them if you like what you see. Also, join the Facebook group. I always have other stuff over there. I have a Facebook group, I have an Instagram, and I also have a Twitter, which I don't really use a Twitter because I don't really Twitter. But yeah, Magnaspark 2, guys. Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up. Talk to you later. This is JW. This is Jason with JWClassicVW. Talk to you guys later. Bye.